Hi, this is Lisa McPike Smith, and I am a 2020 Dougherty Art Center Art-O-Rama artist, and this is where the art happens. This is the Hepcat Studio, complete with cat. I'm a ceramic artist, and I have a kiln waiting to be fired as soon as I fill it up. These are some of the favorite tools that I have for my work right now in ceramics. I've got vinyl clings or stickers, transfers from a well-known pottery artist. These are antique paint rollers that I use to get both texture and pattern in my work. These are Indian block prints, which I also work with to get those wonderful little textures and details. These are probably the oldest tools that I've worked with. They are my hand-carved rubber block prints, and I love this material. It's flexible. You can carve on both sides, and it just gives a wonderful texture, and your possibilities are endless with this. I paint from time to time. These are the molds that I used for my flat clay work. I dabble in jewelry and watercolors and assemblage work. So these are all little pieces that I've collected. I like working with German porcelain doll pieces that have been excavated out of the ground. And then I turn them into little assemblages. I use my ceramics as well, especially in the summertime when it's too hot to fire my kiln. I'll take all these pieces and put them together when I don't have to fire. They're kind of fun. Alright, well, thank you very much for letting me share my work with you. Have a wonderful day.